Hi, I'm Joe, Product Manager here at RIDGID. The RIDGID RPE 100 PEX Expander is our newest tool designed for fast, consistent PEX Type A connections. The RIDGID RPE 100 delivers unmatched efficiency with its industry-first auto-return feature, automatically resetting the expander heads to save time and eliminate missteps. Powered by a brushless motor, it delivers rapid expansions for more connections in less time. Designed for versatility, it supports interchangeable heads from 3/8 inch to 1 inch, and features an auto-rotating head for even, uniform results with every cycle. A built-in LED light and status indicator improve visibility and extend tool life, while the compact ergonomic design with fully operational paddle trigger ensures effortless one-handed use even in tight spaces. Now let's talk through how to operate the tool. As always, refer to the owner's manual for proper use and PPE recommendations. To change the expander head, first remove the battery from the tool. Select the expander head and properly clean and lubricate. Place the expander head over the expander cone and securely tighten to the tool. Next, prepare the connection according to the fitting system manufacturer's instructions. Insert a fully charged battery and power the tool on by pressing and releasing the trigger. Hold the tube to be expanded at least 3 inches from the end and insert the expander head fully into the tubing. Depress the trigger to cycle expansion. The expander head will repeatedly cycle to expand and retract. Each time the head retracts, push the head further into the tube, continuing until the tubing reaches the expander head shoulder. When the cycle is complete, release the trigger and remove the tool from the tubing. Working quickly, visually check the inside of the expanded tube to confirm that there is no dirt, debris, or head lubricant in the tube. Insert fitting into the tubing until the fitting shoulder is flush with the tube end. Inspect the expanded tubing per the fitting system manufacturer instructions. The RIDGID RPE 100 PEX Expander delivers unmatched efficiency and performance on every job. For more information, contact your local distributor, or to schedule a demo, visit RIDGID.com.